Namaste. In this video, we are going to evaluate this integration cos cube x divided by sine cube x plus sine square x plus sine x dx. I is equal to integration cos. Here, cos cube x, can we write cos um, x multiply cos square x, okay, this one, and denominator write as it is sine cube x plus sine square x plus sine x dx, and cos square x we can write 1 minus sine square x, so cos x 1 minus sine square x, and this is plus sine square x plus sine x dx. Here we can substitute t is equal to sine x. So dt, when we differentiate, we get dt cos x dx. So I will be integration cos x dx we can write dt, but this one 1 minus sine square x we can write t square x, this is t cube plus t square plus t dt. Okay, now we can take common from the denominator, so here 1 minus t square, and from here denominator we can take common t, so this is t square plus t plus 1 dt. Now solve this fraction by partial fraction, so 1 minus t square divided by t square plus t plus 1 is equal to here according to this a upon t, okay, plus here is square, that's why b t plus c, and this one, okay, so t square plus t plus 1. Now remove denominator, so whole equation multiply by this part, so here remove 1 minus t square is equal to a multiply t square plus t plus 1 plus b t plus c multiply with t. Now open parenthesis, so 1 minus t square, this is a t square plus a t plus a, and here b t square plus c t. Here we can write minus t square first because highest power, then constant plus 1, okay. So a, here t square this is, so we can combine, so we can write a plus b t square, okay. Then this at and ct when we add, so a plus c t, and this is a, okay. Now we can easily find out ABC values, and first we can compare. So here t square term and here t square term, so a plus b is equal to minus 1. Okay, a plus b is equal to minus 1. Okay, here t term is not here, it means 0. Okay, and here t terms coefficient a plus c, so a plus c is equal to 0. And here constant term is 1, here constant term is a, so a is equal to 1. Got it? So a is equal to 1. When we put here 1, so c will be minus 1. Okay, and when we put here a value 1, so we transfer this side, so negative 1, negative 1, negative 1, negative 2. It means b value negative 2. So we got a value 1, b value minus 2, and c value minus 1. Okay, these values we can substitute here and we get this fraction. Okay, I function will be integration, so we can write, actually this one is this, and here we write like this. Okay, so a value divided by t. What is a value? A value is 1 divided by t. Okay, and then here plus bt plus c. Okay, so plus b value minus 2 t and c value minus 1 divided by t square plus t plus 1 dt. Okay, so integration, this is 1 upon t dt. Okay, and we can write separately, and this is integration, and this is here negative, so we can take common negative. Integration, 2t plus 1, and this is t square plus t plus 1 dt. This is I, and we can write this I is equal to integration this first one, and this is minus integration second. So now we solve this integration, this one, because this is very simple, means easily we can integrate, right? But here we have to use substitution method. So when we put here, for example, a is equal to t square plus t plus 1, and when we differentiate, so this is dA is equal to 2t plus this is t, and when we differentiate t we get 1, this will be 0 dt. Okay, so you can see when we differentiate we get exactly this one, 2t plus 1 dt. Okay, then I2 is equal to integration, this value we can put a, so 1 upon a, and this is this value is dA. Okay, and we can easily integrate this. So ln absolute value a plus c. Okay, so ln, what is a value? A value is t square plus t plus 1 plus c. This I2 value we can substitute here. Okay, and this one we can integrate, so this will be um, ln absolute value t. Okay, so our I equation will be first one, this is ln absolute value t, ln absolute value t. Okay, minus I2 is this one. Okay, and this I2 value we can substitute here. So ln absolute value t square plus t plus 1, and this is c, any arbitrary constant, and final we put T value. What is T value? T value was this one, sin x. Okay, because our question was in this form, trigonometry. So T value we can substitute sin x. Ln absolute value sin x minus ln absolute value sin square x plus sin x plus 1 plus c, and this is our final answer. So very simple question, but if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.